Okay, so question 5 was as follows. Which of the following shapes represent an output in a flow chart? Okay, so which of these shapes mentioned here represent the output in the flow chart? So we talk about A. We have A here, which is usually this one is start. A, that is start or stop. Okay, then B, which is parallelogram. So parallelogram is for a symbol of output. Okay, so the question is, which of the following shapes represents an output? So we know that is B. Okay, then what is the the rectangle shape? C, that is process. Okay, so okay, then this diamond represent that is a decision. Okay, that is decision. Okay, if you have got questions, please don't hesitate to ask in the comment section. Basically, those are the answers. We come to question 6, which is the diagram shows the x or y plane with a shaded region. Okay, so we need to take note of the shaded region. So we have got this area here, which is shaded here. Okay, so the question is, describe the shaded area. Okay, so here what we can see is the entire x-axis is shaded. Okay, so our focus should be on the y-axis. Okay, so when we look at y-axis, we can see that the line here on top here, it is in case my drawings are confusing you, you can take a look at the drawings. We can see that it's passing through 1, positive 1. So that means the shaded, that is the shaded area, is the area that is below 1. Okay, so this means we can come up with an expression which is saying y is less than, sorry, 1 is less than, sorry, I'm saying 1, y is less than, which statement is true, which is saying y is less than 1? Is C, D. Okay, is C, D. That's a correct answer. Okay, so y is less than 1. Okay, so I don't know if you have got questions, but basically that is the correct answer there, D. Okay, we come to question 7. How many faces does a triangular pyramid has? Okay, how many faces does a triangular pyramid has? Okay, so let me draw the triangular pyramid. So the triangular pyramid is like this. Okay, like this. And then there is a line here that comes like this and this. Please bear with me with my drawings. If in case it confuses you, you can ask. So this is the triangular pyramid. It has got these sides. Okay, so here we have the base here, the base here, the base that is down here. In fact, it's the one that is even making it to be a triangular pyramid, because down there the base is a triangle. Okay, so now how many faces does it have? So this one has got the base 1, then the face that is this side of the screen 2, then there is this face 4. So it has got 4 faces. The one which is down, it's number 1, the one I've shaded. Number 2 is the one which is this side facing me. Then number 2, the one that is on the right side. Number 3, that is on the left side. So it has got 4 faces. So we can circle C is the correct answer. Okay, we come to question 8. Question 8, which is the following are the goals scored by Sumbu football team in 9 matches. That is 3, 0, 1, 3, 2, 1, 1, 0, 3. What was the median score? This one is very simple. What is the median score? So please, what I need you to do is, may you find the correct answer for this one. Before I come and explain, find the correct answer. Have you found the answer? Okay, now I hope you have gotten the answer. Let me try and explain this. First of all, a median is a number that is in the middle after arranging the numbers in ascending or descending order. Okay, for instance, we have got this question. So to find the median, we can arrange these terms given into ascending or descending order. Let's start with ascending order. We start with the smallest going to the bigger ones. So we have got 0, then comma 0 again, then we have got 3 ones, so I'm going to write 3 ones. Okay, so I wrote this 0 first, then I've written this one, then this one, and this one. 3 ones, I've written them. Then I have got 2 here, so I'm going to write 2. Then I have got 3, this 3, the first one, then this 3, then this 3. Okay, so now we can, how do we find the number that is on the middle? We cancel one here and we cancel another one number there. We cancel one figure on the left and on the right, just like that. So we cancel here, again we cancel here. We cancel here, we cancel here. Now we can see that on the middle we have got this number. Okay, that is the other way you can find the number, which is the correct answer is B. Okay, unless if you have got questions. But however, even if you write this number in descending order, you still get the same answer. If you write these numbers in descending order, you still get the same answer. Let's try. Okay, let's try to write these numbers in descending order. We start with the bigger number going downward. So we have 3, then again 3, again 3, again 2, then we come to 1, 1, 1, then we have 2 zeros, so we come to 0, the 0. Okay, I just want to demonstrate that in any way you arrange them, your answers will be correct. So we start again doing the same thing, cancelling out. We cancel this number, we cancel this, 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 this. Still, we remain with 1 on the middle. So it doesn't matter how you write it, your answer will always be correct. Okay, if you have got questions, you can ask in the quiz. That's how you find the correct answer. We go to question 9. Okay, so question 9 is as follows. The diagram shows triangle ABC in which DE is parallel to AB. Okay, DE is parallel to AB. So the question is, which angle corresponds to angle CAB? CAB. Okay, so angles, we can, for us to find the angles that are corresponding, that are occupying the same position in different triangles, we need to dismantle this. So I can dismantle the first triangle, which is on top. I can dismantle it and write it like that. Never mind about the shape. Please, I'm just trying to, okay. So again, we dismantle this bigger one, which is C A B, like this. It is C A B, like this. So they are saying which angle it corresponds to angle CAB, which is this angle. Okay, so now when you look at this, the one which is corresponding, occupying the same position as CAB is CDE. Okay, CDE. So the correct answer is C. Okay, that is the angle that is corresponding to that is CDE. Okay, unless if you have got questions. If there are no questions, we go to the next one. Okay, so the next question is question 10, which is a lady invested a lady sorry a lady invested 2,550 kwacha in a bank for 3 years at a rate of 15% per annum, simple interest. How much interest did she earn? Okay, here we are talking about the simple interest the lady got after investing 2,550 kwacha in a bank for 3 years at a rate of 15%. Okay, so I want to find the simple interest she earned. So to calculate the simple interest, we use the formula, which is the formula we use is I for interest is equal to principal multiplied by rate times time over 100. Then we say equal to, then we say what is the principal? So the principal we are told is 2,550 kwacha times rate, that is 15%, then times years, it is 3 years, then we say over 100 or 100. Okay, so to simplify this, what we're going to do is we are going to cancel the 0 which is down here and the 0 which is on top here, so that we have 10 here. Then we can have something like this. We say equal to, we can have something like this. We say we divide 10 into that, which will give us 25 times, then this will go out the 10. Okay, we remained with 255 kwacha. Here I've forgotten even to put the kwacha sign. Then we divided 255 by 10, which gave us 25.5, then times 3. Okay, then here 10 is gone because we have used it to divide here, so we remain with that. Okay, so to simplify the calculations, we can just I want to do with the decimal point once, so I'll say is equal to 25.5 times, then we multiply 15 by 3 will give us 45, then 45 times 25.5. Okay, so we can put 25. Okay, so let me deal with that. Okay, so let me calculate it here. Then I let me say, sorry for that. We say 25.5 times Z. So I know that I just have one decimal point. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to ignore the point and say times Z. Get my answer, I'll add the decimal point. So 5 times 5 will give me 25. So I'm going to write 5 carry 2. 5 times 5 will give me 25 plus 2, 27. Carry 2. 5 times that will give me 10 plus 2 will give me 12. Okay. Then I'm going to put a 0 here. 4 times 5 will give me 20. I'll write 0, carry 2. 4 times 5 will give me 20 plus 2, 22. 4 times 2 will give me 8 plus 2, it will be 10. Okay, then I'm going to add this, then I'll have 5, 7, then 4, then 1, 1. So my answer is going to be, then remember there is a decimal point here which I ignored. There is a decimal, there is one decimal place. That means my answer should also have one decimal place. Then I'm going to say is equal to, then quater sign, then I'm going to say 1, 1, then 4, 7, then 0.5. Okay, if you have gotten confused, please you can ask in the comment section. I'll still clarify it. So the correct answer is this one. Okay, that is the correct answer. If you have got questions, please you can ask in the comment section. Otherwise, basically that's how you do this. Okay, without any confusion or distractions, we can now go ahead and go to the next question. Okay, so let me read this. Okay, okay, so because of time and other things, in the evening I'll try to find time and look at the section B. I'm going to look at section B. So please, thank you so much for watching. Sorry for any distraction that has come up. So please, basically this is how you solve these questions. Okay, without wasting your time, have a lovely day and see you next time as I go live. I'm trying to find a way how we can be going live very soon. I'll figure out the best way and I'll draft a program that you will be following. Please remember to subscribe.